all again in this review. I'm your Stephen Paul. You are watching Cars and Bike Specs channel. Today we'll see the Black Badger Off-Road King. Ford planning to launch in India. It's Ford Velociraptor. First we'll see about its features. Raptor is mostly built for off-road terrain as a tech survivor. First we're going to see about pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. We are all driving a car defensively. By scanning the road ahead, this feature can alert you to potential collision with vehicle or persist detection in your path. If an impact is imminent and you don't take action, brakes can apply automatically. It's designed to only action when we need. Second, we're going to see blights with trailer coverage and cross traffic alert. Changing the lane demands your full attention. Blights is nothing but blind spot information system. Can help by not only alerting to your vehicles detecting in your blind spot, but also alert you when vehicle are detected alongside your trailer. Cross traffic alert helps by detecting and alerting you to the traffic behind your truck as you slowly backing up. It stands on Larian King Rancher Platinum Edition, Limited Edition, and also available in XLT Raptor. Third, we're going to see about its land keeping system. It happens you wonder that close to your land edge, our land keeping system can help you during a moment of distraction. If you drift out of your lane, it's direct you with a steering wheel torque to return and can also alert you through vibration pulse. Strain a few times and a coffee cup icon indicates it's time for a break. It stands on Larian, King Rancher, Platinum Edition, Limited Edition, and also available in Raptor. Fourth, we're going to see automatic high beam headlamps. Sound familiar? You turn on high beam entering a dark stretch of road, then you forgot to turn off as traffic approaches. Automatic headlamp can detect poor lighting and switch them for you. They can also sense oncoming headlamps and dim automatically for other drivers. Standard on all trims. Fifth, we're going to see rear view camera. Backing up is required a little multitasking. Our rear view camera helps by providing a great view of what behind your truck, helping to you navigate reverse and with more confidence. It also helps when you are lining up a trailer. Standard on all trims. See about additional technology of Ford Raptor. Sixth, we're going to see adaptive cruise control ACC with stop and go technology. There are few things as trend as bumper to bumper traffic. ACC with stop and go can help you keep back on your journey, slowing down or even stop your vehicle if the traffic ahead has slowed or stopped. When this thing's clear, it can resume your set speed. It's standard on Limited Edition, available on Larian, King Rancher, Platinum and Raptor. Someone we're going to see a curve control. Sometimes it's hard to judge the severity of an unfamiliar curve. So it's good to know that curve control can actually sense when you're taking a turn too fast and can slow your truck speed as much as 10 miles per hour in about a second to help you maintain control. Standard on all trims. We will see about its active parking assist. No need to drill parallel parking. Active parking assist not only helps you to find a spot, it starts Raptor F150 into it. You control the gear shift, brake and acceleration pedal. Standard on Limited Edition, Larian, King Ranch and Platinum. Ninth, we're going to see about trailer swap control. This helps the technology monitors the Raptor F150 when towing the detached trailer swap. If it detects the system selected applied braking as need to help you maintain control of the truck as well as the trailer. Standard on all trims. 10th, we will see about its 360-degree camera. True to its name, the 360-degree cam will split view display lets you see Ford F-150 for every side. Very helpful while certain your truck is in parking spot, drive around a crowd working site, or while navigating a tight section of off-road trails. Standard on Limited, available on Larian, King Ranch, Platinum and Raptor. 11th we will see Class Executive, available Pro Trailer Backup Assist. It's PTBA. Helps make it easy to back up your trailer. Once the system is programmed, simply rotate the PTBA knob to left or right depending on the direction you want the trailer to go. The system that automatically starts the truck to turn the trailer the desired amount. The PTBA can help you to back up your trailer like a pro. 12th we will see about great strength does not rust. The high strength military grade aluminum alloy, the Ford Raptor F-150 body and cargo box is hardened through a heat treating to produce great strength. The thickness where need to provide extra strength, pulse the body and cargo box does not rust and resist corrosion. That leadership that counts for year down the road. Final feature we're going to see about FX4 off-roading. Those words on your pickup box let everyone know your F-150 is capable of serious off-road travel. The FX4 off-road package equips you the truck to get out through the off-road, turn front shock absorber, underbody skid plate that helps protect for differential, transfer case and fuel tank, hill descent control and a electric lock rear differential monitor, actions for the driver seat on available of off-road display in the protective screen. Next we will see about Ford Raptor engine type. They offer 6 types of engine variant. Number 1, 3-liter power stroke turbo diesel engine. The first ever diesel engine in F-150 is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that strongs the torque delivered throughout the RPM range. Exactly what need for those who tow the frequently due to the hard press to find an engine better suits for everyday pickup duty. With all about 440 Nm at the torque taps, it moves the truck out from a stop without a hinge strains as says Cars and Drivers. It has a max power of 250 horsepower. It's available on XT, Larian, King Ranch and Platinum. Second, it's a 3.5 liter high output EcoBoost engine. Performance excites hour-to-hour. Conventional 3.5 liter EcoBoost includes the increasing boost calibration, fuel, dual exhaust, oil-cooled piston and more aggressive engine control calibrations. The 10-speed automatic trans will shift capable real optimize the power torque curve of the high output powerhouse. It has a max power of 450 horsepower and the max torque of 510 Nm, standard on limited edition Raptor. Third, it's a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine that delivers the exponential horsepower and torque, with the torque readily available across the speed range for extensional low and the end peak performance. It's exactly what we need to hauling heavy loads and towing heavy trailer. It has a max power of 375 horsepower and the max torque of 470 Nm. It's available on XL, XLT, Larian, King Rancher and Platinum. Fourth type, it's a 5.0 liter TI VCT V8 engine. It has a 32 valve twin independent variable cam timing. Dual injection system has a compression ratio of 12:1. They all helps makes the trusted V8 as an exponential choice for all around F-150 capability. The class exclusive CNG and propane gases engine pre-packing is available. It has a max power of 395 horsepower and a max torque of 400 Newton meter. It's available on XL, XLT, Larian, King Ranch and Platinum. Fifth, it's a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. To understand an engine specific output, delivers the horsepower by a displacement as a starter G of 120 HP per liter. The 2.7 liter EcoBoost, unless the power like few other of its size. Strength can be compacted graphite ion CGI that forms the upper engine block and cylinders. It has a max power of 325 horsepower and a max torque of 400 Newton meter. It's available on XLT, XL, Lariat. Sixth, we're going to see about 3.3 liter TI VCT V6 engine. It stands for Raptor 150. Power plant delivers where it matters most, the towing capability and payload capacity and functional efficiency. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission with select shift capability. It has a max power of 290 horsepower and a max torque of 265 Newton meter. It's available on XL, XLT. Now you will see Raptor advantage. Wait a minute. I explained at the starting of this review, so you will see about Raptor disadvantage. In Velociraptor, we can't say a single disadvantage, but I will not tell Raptor mileage is very low. I will put sensor in this line after you can't hear a single disadvantage about a Raptor. I'm just kidding. If you like this review, like, share and subscribe to Cars and Bike Specs channel. I will be see you soon in another review. Thank you.